World Contraception Day, 26 September. World Contraception Day, observed on 26th September every year, is an annual global campaign to improve awareness about contraception. World Contraception Day was first observed on 26 September in 2007 by 10 international family planning organizations. Aims: this campaign aims to raise awareness about birth control methods available to a woman and her partner to enable them to make an informed decision regarding their reproductive health. This global campaign pushes for better education related to safe and protected sex so that no pregnancy is unplanned or unwanted. Contraception is the deliberate use of artificial methods or other techniques to prevent pregnancy as a consequence of sexual intercourse. The contraceptive methods are also known as the fertility regulating methods. Contraceptive methods are preventive methods to help the woman avoid unwanted pregnancy. They include all temporary and permanent measures to prevent pregnancy resulting from the coitus. The contraceptive methods may be broadly grouped into two classes: the spacing methods and the terminal methods. The spacing methods are again classified into barrier methods, intrauterine devices, hormonal methods, and post-conceptional methods. The barrier methods are again classified into physical method, chemical method, and combined method. Medicated and non-medicated intrauterine devices are used for contraception. Hormonal contraceptives, when properly used, are the most effective spacing method for the contraception. The terminal methods are of two types: the male sterilization methods and the female sterilization methods. Benefits of contraception: using contraception helps in family planning. Being informed about and having access to various birth control methods can help a woman and couples decide when they want to have children and how many. Maintain an ideal gap between two or more pregnancies can help them prepare financially for their children's educational needs and other needs. Young girls and women who are not ready for pregnancy both mentally and physically may benefit from using contraception. Women can prevent pregnancy with the help of contraception until their bodies are prepared for the same. Help older women protect pregnancy, especially if they are bound to experience pregnancy-related risks or complications, thus reducing the need for abortion. Birth control can also control the population growth. While the decision to have a baby or more is an individual's choice, having more children can increase the population. Using contraception during sexual intercourse can help prevent unwanted pregnancies and help a woman plan the number of children they want to have so that they can also raise them well, both financially and emotionally. Stay informed and educate others. If you have teenage kids, nieces or nephews, educate them about sexual health and talk about the importance of contraception. If you are in your reproductive years and have an active sex life, equip yourself with the right information on birth control. Talk to a doctor about the various birth control methods and choose one after considering the safety and side effects of each. Visit schools or take webinars to educate school kids about sexual health and adolescent kids about various methods of contraception. Talk to your family and friends about the safe methods of contraception and help them prevent untimely pregnancies. A woman can get pregnant if a man's sperm reaches one of her eggs. Contraception tries to stop this happening by keeping the egg and sperm apart, stopping egg production, stopping the combined sperm and egg attaching to the lining of the womb. The major forms of artificial contraception are the barrier methods, of which the commonest is the condom or sheath. The contraceptive pill, which contains synthetic sex hormones which prevent ovulation in the female. Intrauterine devices such as the coil, which prevent the fertilized ovum from implanting in the uterus and male or female sterilization.